Hey guys, I just wanted to kind of create this introductory video and just kind of go through the course with you guys. You'll see here I have lots of courses. Yours should not look like that. I'm going to come down here and you can see that this is fall 2020. And I'm going to click on that. So what you'll see is, now you probably will only be able to see week one because this is going to open up week by week by week by week. So as the semester progresses through, these weeks will open up. But you can see over here, this is the main tab. Um, Whenever I'm done recording this video, I'm going to put it right here in the instructor video, so you'll be able to locate it and view it at any time throughout the semester. Announcements, I will give announcements consistently throughout the semester. Once I give one, it stays there forever. This is blank. I don't have any announcements right now. That's the tab that it's on. So let's go to syllabus. So you'll see here you have the syllabus. We're going to open that up. Okay, so here we are. This is a fully online course. So all public health classes this semester are going to be online. Office hours will also be held virtually. So what that's going to look like is if you guys would like to meet with me, know that I'm always available during these times. You would send me an email. We'd set a time to meet. I would create a Zoom meeting, and then we would meet that way. Let's say that none of these times work for you. That's not a problem. We'll make it work. So just kind of give me your schedule. Let me know when works for you, and then we will schedule a Zoom meeting then. We do have a required text. It's Choosing Health, 3rd edition in Pearson. If you haven't got that, you're going to want to get that. You'll see here the course description, course objectives, grade scale. Here is the individual breakdown of points with the discussions, the assignments, projects, paper, and then this course is going to be a total of 550 points. So we'll come down here. Another important thing to note, I'll let you guys just kind of scroll through this on your own. But one of the things I will note is that this is a Wednesday. We're starting Wednesday, so weeks are going to be Wednesday to Tuesday. So you'll have to get used to that. So that means assignments will be due Tuesday at 11:59. The weeks that you have discussions, which I'm going to go over in just a second, those will be due, your original post will be due by Friday at 11:59 p.m. because you have to leave enough time for your peers to respond to 2 people. So, we need the original discussion post up first. So we're going to keep going down. I'll let you guys read through all of this. But you will see here's the schedule. So it gives you kind of what the focus content is going to be each week. Week by week, it's going to go. You'll see you do have a discussion post every single week. So that needs to be something that you're thinking about. And then our final paper will be due 11/22. And you will be doing that instead of a final exam. So not having traditional exams in this course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of my syllabus and I'm going to come over here to the discussions. I want to talk to you guys about those. So again, just like how the weeks are, they're going to open up progressively through the semester. So are the discussions. So you probably, when you click on, you're not going to see anything today because it opens up tomorrow at 12 a.m. So when that happens, you will be able to view this first discussion. Now, as it goes further on, these will become available to you. Okay, so whenever you click on a discussion, you're going to answer the question by hitting create thread. All right, so whenever you hit create thread, you'll be able to insert your content and hit submit, and then it will post to this discussion board. So what'll happen is when you click on week 1, you will be able to see people's individual discussions and you can read through them and then you can make your responses. So here is the first question for the first week. Remember, weeks are Wednesday to Tuesday in this class. Word counts are important because if you are not counting or using the word count, let's say you put 250 words for your original post, you're not meeting the minimum requirements of the assignment. Therefore, you can't receive full credit for the assignment. So make sure that your original post has to be 300 words and 150 words. Whenever you're doing your original post, make sure that you are answering these questions fully. You might have to use examples. You need to think critically about some of this stuff. But you can go through and each week you will have a discussion. So when this becomes available to you on Wednesday, it opens up Wednesday at midnight. When that happens, you have all day Wednesday, all day Thursday, and all day Friday to make your original post. Your original post has to be posted by Friday at 11:59 p.m. or it's going to be counted late. So then once those posts are up, if you click on discussions here, when people have posted in the discussion thread, you'll find those all right here. You just click on somebody's, you read it, you hit reply, and then you put your response to what they said. And these are discussion posts. We're going to be kind, we're going to be professional. But so that's the way these discussions are going to work. Each week they're going to be on different content that correlates with the course schedule in the back where it showed you which chapters we're focusing on. The discussions will align with that. So let's go over to week 1. So this will become available to you tomorrow. So it says right here, it's hidden from you. It'll open up each Wednesday at midnight. That's just preventing, you guys from working ahead too much. So click on week 1. You'll see week 1 requirements right here. You need to read chapter 1 materials. You have a discussion post and responses, and you have an assignment. So here, I have PowerPoints provided for each chapter. So there's your PowerPoint, and then this is your assignment. Same thing, you're going to click on your assignment. Then you can literally upload it here. Now I will say with uploads, Word is the best. I mean, every now and again, a student will submit something if they don't have Word that is compatible, but most things are not compatible with Blackboard. So you need to do Word or PDF. It has to be something that Blackboard recognizes as a document, okay? Otherwise, it won't submit. So Word is always a safe bet, so that's what my recommendation would be, to type everything up in Word. So basically this will open up. What I would do is, my recommendation is thoroughly review the syllabus. I don't know if any of you have ever had me before, but if you have, you know that I post grades pretty quick, not before the due date, but once the due date happens, I like to grade. You guys can hit your grade, you can look at them. That way you know your percentages constantly throughout the semester, and then that way I like to grade early so that if I provide feedback for you guys, you can make an adjustment before the next assignment is due. So review your syllabus. Let me know if you have any questions, and shoot me an email, let me know, and I'm looking forward to working with you guys this semester.